so that you could kind of take a look at, and we could have a conversation about maybe where you're struggling and the gaps that you're having as you look at it. Okay, so I'm going to talk you through it. I'm going to walk through every one of these, except for the 1A, because I'm pretty sure everybody in the classroom got that correct based on me walking around. X will end up being 8. Do I need to go over that?
Oh, for the 1A.
For 1A. 1B, though, let's talk about corporately as a group. The fact that if you notice that this is a straight line, okay, if that's a straight line, this whole thing adds up to 1. Okay? That whole thing. Which includes 3 different parts. Which includes this angle right here, that angle, being 90. So we have to add all 3 of these things up to equal to 180. Okay, so we want to do 6x minus 4 plus 90 plus 4x plus 4 equals 180. It's that whole stretch that winds up equaling 180. Okay, then we can solve it. So it's 10x plus 90 equals 180. 10x equals 90. X is 9. The second one. Anybody have any questions on that? Okay, let's deal with the last one. That is definitely the hardest one on here. Okay, seriously. Okay, here we go. So we're going to label the picture. Remember, if you didn't label the picture, I saw some folks that didn't label the picture appropriately. Well, if you're not doing the picture, my question to you would be, why you do it the way I do it? Okay? That's my question to you if you're not labeling the picture. The way I would do it would be to label the picture. I want you to do it that way because I know that can make you successful. That can get you one more step towards doing these correctly. Okay? Labeling the picture. It's one more way to get you there, to get you to be successful and increase your grade. And it's a relatively easy thing to do. Okay? ABE 3x minus 10. CBD x plus 20. And then if I backtrack and read the first thing, I want to find this measurement right there. Okay, this darkened in measurement. Okay, if you look at it, those are vertical angles, so they have to be equal. So what we can wind up doing is set up this equation up. 3x minus 10 equals x plus 20. Now, that's weird because you're like, well, they have to be equal, and why are they the different ways of writing the same exact thing, right? If they're equal, shouldn't it be x plus 20 equals x plus 20? Like that's kind of weird. Well, yeah, okay, it is x plus 20 equals x plus 20. True, that's always true. Okay, really what we're looking for is the value of x that makes both of those true, both of those equal to each other at the same time. Okay, it's just different representations for the same measurement. Okay, when we have a specific value for x. Anyway, so we can keep going. Solve this, and you get minus x, 2x minus 10 equals 20, plus 10 plus 10, 2x equals 30, x equals 15. So you get x is 15. What do you do after that? You're stuck. Okay, at least we have x. We've gotten somewhere. Let's go back and read the question and see what we're actually asked to do. We're asked, again, to find this angle that I highlighted in black. Okay, if we're asked to find that angle I highlighted in black, we need to know how that relates to the other angles in the picture. Okay? This whole group right there, that's a linear pair. Okay, do you guys see the linear pair? That's a linear pair right there. ABC and CBD, that's a linear pair. That means they add up to 180. Okay, so angle ABC plus angle DBC add up to 180, the measures. Okay, we don't know what ABC is. That's actually our goal. But we know an expression for BDC, or we can find out what BDC actually, or DBC, what DBC actually is. Okay, we can do 15 in there plus 20. It's going to be 35. So that's 35 equals 180. Subtract 35 from both sides, and you can find out what ABC is. So we get 145 being ABC. Okay?